Jimmy Nelson gets a call today, his 4th start of the season, just his 5th career major league start in Cooperstown, New York. As right on a hop to Segura, chance to turn it here. It goes 6-4-3, nicely done. And Tejada on the ground to short, got to turn this one. Segura to Weeks, throw to first in time. Jimmy Nelson, now 26 years of age, and Nelson finally gets him. He struck him out with a fastball. He goes. Jimmy Nelson strikes him out. And a bouncing ball to third. Elian Herrera makes a play to end the inning. Nelson with a couple of Ks last inning and picks another one up right here. Runner at third, 2 gone, and the 1-2 swung on and missed.
Multiple innings. Marco's your guy.
Nelson, fastball right by DeGrom. And back up the middle. The shift was on. Segura standing right there, and Granderson is out. There's a called strike 3. Nelson burns off the edge with a fastball. 1 ball, 1 strike. Recker over to third base. Elian Herrera, and there is the final out of the 6th. Trying to clear the baseball. There's a shot to first, right at Reynolds, and that turns out well for Jimmy Nelson. So he's down 2-0, but he gets through 7.